I fuck with my homies. If you need a G, then come to me. I got you, you'll never have to own me. Cause you already know we homies. So put that 20 back in your pocket and lock it. Cause with me, you'll never have to cop it. He said take the money, but I said to stop it. We known each other since 13, and now we 15, and we a fucking rap team. But we will succeed and achieve our dreams. We'll shoot up there like laser beams. Just coolin' with our girl, needing ice cream. Cause I'll give my homies everything, but they'll never have to own me. Cause we get fucked up. Next they came and we still haven't gave up. So we took that cannabis straight up to our brains and made us the same. But not the bad kind, but the good kind, if you don't mind. But to tell some truth, cause that's all I tell you. I really fuck with my homies, known them since I tried weed. So with them I shall not deplete, and hopefully they'll do the same with me.